Hey guys, welcome to another reviews, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 pickleball paddles in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading pickleball paddle that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Selkirk Sport Pickleball Paddle Set, an affordable, high-quality bundle designed for players of all levels. Let's explore its standout features. The SLK Neo 2.0 features a G4 control graphite surface, delivering incredible ball control and precision. The SpinFlex textured surface enhances spin consistency for sharper, more strategic shots. With a large sweet spot and honeycomb core technology, this paddle absorbs impact and maintains speed. Players experience balanced performance with every shot. Each paddle weighs just 7.5 ounces, providing the perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and durability. Ideal for beginners and experienced players alike. Designed with a 4.25-inch grip circumference and 5.25-inch length, the Ultra Comfort grip absorbs shocks and moisture, keeping your hand steady for fatigue-free gameplay. In conclusion, whether you're new to pickleball or looking for a reliable paddle set, the Selkirk SLK Neo bundle offers control, spin, and durability. Number 4. The Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm paddle, a sleek, high-performance paddle built for control, durability, and feel. Let's explore why this paddle is a game-changer. This paddle features foam-injected edge walls that enhance stability and shot placement. Whether resetting, blocking, or finishing points, players enjoy a balanced, controlled performance on every swing. Unlike traditional thermoformed paddles, Prism's cold molding approach provides better touch and control. Without excessive power, this design ensures a plush feel while maintaining responsive gameplay. Polyurethane inserts reduce vibration and add a soft, controlled response. This feature helps players execute clean shots while keeping their hands comfortable during long matches. The high-quality raw T700 carbon fiber surface enhances spin and longevity. Compared to fiberglass or graphite paddles, this durable construction offers superior performance for all skill levels. In conclusion, if you're searching for a pickleball paddle with control, precision, and durability, the Prism Carbon Fiber 16mm is an excellent choice. Number 3. The JOOLA Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle, a game-changing paddle designed for power, spin, and control. With advanced technology and precision engineering, it's built to elevate your gameplay. JOOLA's Tech Flex Power innovation enhances paddle flexibility while maintaining structure. This optimal weight distribution boosts power, improves shot accuracy, and expands the sweet spot for a more forgiving play. Its elongated design with a shorter handle increases reach and swing speed. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag, making it perfect for players who love power-packed shots and controlled spins. Foam injected into the paddle's perimeter improves weight and stability. This feature ensures edge-to-edge consistency, giving you reliable performance during intense matches. The high-tech carbon fiber finish adds durability and enhances spin control. Whether you're executing precise shots or power-driven returns, this paddle delivers peak performance. In conclusion, if you're looking for a paddle that offers power, spin, and control, the JOOLA Pro 4 is a solid choice. Elevate your game and experience unmatched performance on the court. Number 2. The CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, a game-changer with carbon fiber construction and foam-injected edges for an expanded sweet spot. Let's break it down. This paddle's internal composition enhances shot consistency and eliminates vibration. Whether you're serving or returning, expect reliable performance and improved control with every hit. Carbon fiber construction provides incredible spin and strength. It strikes the perfect balance between power and control, allowing players to dominate the court with precision shots. Unlike other paddles, CRBN's unibody structure ensures durability and responsiveness. No weak points or flex, just solid construction for a longer-lasting, high-performance paddle. With a comfortable ergonomic grip and a neoprene paddle cover, you get both playability and protection. Keep your paddle looking fresh with CRBN's Paddle Eraser. In conclusion, if you're serious about your pickleball game, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle delivers unmatched control, spin, and durability. Elevate your gameplay today. Number 1. The JOOLA Ben Johns Hyperion Pickleball Paddle. Designed with cutting-edge technology and the expertise of world champion Ben Johns, this paddle promises power, spin, and control. Let's break it down. The JOOLA Hyperion features a carbon abrasion surface, giving players the ability to execute precise spins. This unique texture, achieved through an abrasion sandblasting process, enhances ball grip effortlessly. Control meets power with hybrid ply technology. The top layer improves dinking and blocking, while underlying layers add strength to powerful drives, making it perfect for both defensive and offensive play. Its 16mm honeycomb core absorbs vibration, ensuring stable shots and prolonged paddle lifespan. The responsive compression enhances feel while maximizing performance on the court. With JOOLA's SureGrip technology, this paddle ensures a non-slip, moisture-wicking handle. Players experience a comfortable, shock-absorbing grip, reducing strain while maintaining control. In conclusion, if you're serious about your game, the JOOLA Ben Johns Hyperion Pickleball Paddle is a must-have. With power, spin, and control, it could take your performance to the next level. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.